Chopper's real one here. Look at that. I got it painted. And I fixed the sides. I cut this out a little bit better. So I fixed the sides so it looks a little bit more like a hot rod. I'm quite happy with that way it looks. I've got to get the pieces of metal to go from here down to there, and same on the other side. But I've done that for both sides. Painted a whole top. The back's all painted. Everything like that, so it all matches. I did pretty well on the sides. You know, I know the inside in here is not painted, but I got to paint that white. So I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, it's looking good, and it drives now. I can actually drive it forwards and backwards, left and right, all over the place. So I'll have a drive video of that out soon. I've still got to work out how I'm going to do tie my reindeer mate here now. I've still got to figure that out yet. So if any of you guys have got any suggestions, I was thinking about zip ties. I was thinking about drilling some holes in the floor here near his feet, and I'm just simply zip tying him on. Get him in the centre. Look at that face. Look at that face. Aww. So yeah, I reckon that looks pretty wicked, guys. I got to paint the inside of it white so it reflects all the light I want to put inside. Thinking about putting this little set of truck lights up here, or I don't know yet. I've got 400 LED lights to go on there at this stage, and there's a good possibility there could be a few more. So you know what I'm like. So yeah, what do you reckon, guys? I reckon that looks pretty sweet. It came out really good. So yeah, I drive a video up soon, and as soon as I can get some mesh in there, I can get the cookster in there, and we can see what the little monster makes out of it. Well, there we go, guys. I'll leave you with it. Remember, drive safe, play safe, and have fun. All right, guys. Bye for now.